In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently in 2021. This works on both iPhone and Android, so just follow the steps I'm taking. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're on Snapchat, you want to hit your profile icon in the top left. The next step would be to click the settings icon in the top right. Now you want to scroll down, Who Can, Privacy, and then you see Support. Click I Need Help. This will open up the Snapchat support window. And you want to scroll down under Account, My Account and Security. You want to click that. And in the middle of that, you see Delete My Account. You want to click that. Now you can read through this. And it says how to delete your Snapchat account. You want to go to Account Portal. It's a link. Click that. And now you want to delete account or Snapchat you're leaving us. You want to add your username and your password. Click Continue. Once you do that, your account will be deactivated. And if you don't use Snapchat for 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you do use it within the 30 days, your account will be reactivated and you will have to do this again in order to delete your Snapchat account permanently in 2021. That's how to delete Snapchat account permanently in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.